Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 10 update with Nicole. So how's going so far, Nicole?
Well, it's been like a couple weeks of a lot going on in my world, and then I have one more week of that. But I am gonna try and get as focused as I can this week before next week, so that I can stay on track.
I think you just came from almost 10 days vacation, right?
Yes.
Right. We missed our week 10 goal. So how much do we eat right now?
199.
199. So total weight loss is
6 pounds.
so we are 12 pounds behind our week 10 goal. Do you think it's doable to reach your week 20 goal?
I know it's doable. I absolutely know it's doable. I should just do it.
I know it's
that's
challenging.
but I want that goal because I want to stay focused. So I need it.
Moving forward, we'll start, focusing more on applying what we learn, and we'll continue doing the follow-up every single week. So let's wait for next week and see where we'll be at.
Okay.
Very
Sounds
good.
good.
Thank you, Nicole.
No problem. Thanks.
Bye.